Welcome back to the Briar Patch. My name is Vicki and today is Make It Yourself Monday. And today I'm going to talk to you about making an essentials kit that you can carry in your purse. Some people will call them an emergency kit. I have gotten into carrying a crossbody bag, and I just like to carry a few things in that bag, and I like to have it organized. So my favorite bag lately is my lug bag. This is really cute. It comes with interchangeable straps and it has little loops on the back. So if I want to wear it around my waist, or I can wear it crossbody. And basically all I carry in this is my wallet, my cell phone, which I'm recording on, and I have my essentials bag or my emergency on the go kit. So what I did is I just purchased a little bag. This is a Vera Bradley bag. And in here I carry what I think would be necessary if I was gonna have an emergency, if I was out and about. So I really thought about the few little things that I could put in this bag. If you're carrying a bigger bag, or if you thought you needed to carry more, if you take more medications. I don't carry any makeup with me or anything like that, just chapstick. So you can always use a bigger bag. What I basically like to do is if I want to change my colors of my bag, I can just pull out my cell phone, my wallet, my car keys, and my bag, throw it into my new crossbody bag, and I'm out the door. So I have to show you these before I show you what's in this. I picked up this cute little lug crossbody bag for Florida. We're going to Disney in a couple weeks. Isn't that cute? And I actually got another color too. I love this. This goes cute with what I'm wearing. It's kind of like a camouflage. But lug bags I just get from QVC.com or lug, L-U-G, and I think it's myluglife.com. But I love their bags. So another set of bags that I like to use when I'm organizing my purse are this the set of trio bags that I get at the Vera Bradley outlet. I actually use the bigger one in my work bag, and I put all my electronics in here, all my cords, my chargers, my headphones, everything goes in this bag. And then of course I can use my little one to put in a crossbody. And I could use this one maybe to carry medications if I needed to take mine with me, but I usually don't. So find a bag that suits your bag, and then just fill it with the essentials that you think you need to carry. So let me show you what I carry in my bag. Okay, so here is my bag, and let's open it up to see what I have inside. So the first thing that I carry with me is a little hair clip, because I always wear my bangs pulled back, especially if it's hot outside or if I'm working. I always have it pulled back. The next thing I like to carry is my Young Living Cinnamon chapstick. And the next thing I carry is a little container of pain medication in case I have a headache, or in case somebody else has a headache. So I carry that. And these little containers you can get in the travel section at any of your local stores. I love it because you can just throw a couple of pills in there and then you're good to go. I love this little tin. I keep it filled with mints. I have a little bag here. These are like little zip jewelry bags, and in here I carry one allergy medication for sinus headaches, because I don't carry my roller balls with me in my crossbody bag usually. And then I have 2 cough drops, so it's all sealed in there. And then I have my gum, my squished pack of gum. And then another zippy bag with flossers, in case we're out to dinner and I need to floss. A Band-Aid. A little cloth. It's one of those silky cloths that you can clean eyeglasses with or sunglasses. I carry that. And then I have tweezers, because you never know when you're going to need tweezers. And the last thing I have are nail clippers. And it has like a little nail file on it. So that's basically all that I put in my bag in case I have an emergency when I'm out and about. Well, thanks for stopping by for Make It Yourself Monday. I hope I've inspired you to go organize your purse. Just go find yourself a cute little bag and fill it with everything that you need when you're on the go, and you'll be good to go. Well, I hope you have a great week, and thanks for stopping by.